Well, hello there. This is Electronic Guy 567, and here today we are doing an iOS 15 look around and all the new features of iOS 15. First things first, with any iOS update, there's always a new wallpaper. And this time, we got a brand new iOS 15 wallpaper. It comes in two defaults, dark and light, and I prefer to keep it dark. However, it depends on what your preference is. My preference is to keep it dark. And there's also a really nice feature with this when you can actually do a thing where you can read the text off of any plain surface and just copy paste it or anything like that, and super cool. So let's just say I want to insert text to my notes, and I can do that right. Okay, and so just so you know, I actually know how to do this. So first, what you do is you turn on camera, and what you do is you scan, and then what you'll do is you'll click this button, and then it will do a bunch of scans until it's happy. Yep, and so save. Then you can actually edit the text. And not only can you make it like it's a document added to the notes, but this is very convenient for some workplaces where you actually need to work with this type of thing. And now, let's look at how you can add the text in. Okay, and so another thing that's really nice about this scan feature, then you can just scan it and add the text in. And like, if you click the pencil icon, and an AA. Maybe I'm getting this confused. I'm not sure. Yeah. But anyways, you get the point. Kind of works like that. But another thing that's really, really amazing with this new update is how you can recognize anything with the tap of a button in the Photos app. Just as long as you're not using Google Photos or anything like that, you're really good to go. My photos, and we'll see. Like my grandma's dog, Millie. So if we go into the eye icon, then click look up dog. Now this is a mutt, so that one did not scan accurately. It should have at least said mutt, but instead of saying mutt, instead it said, oh, this is a purebred dog. And so this one is actually pretty accurate with it, because this one's a purebred, which this one it's a poodle, which it's totally right. And there are some other things, like this is her pretty much only friends that she has. So if we look them up, it's wrong. Both of them are wrong. But if we go and just look up one of the dogs, and you need to find a good photo of them, like this one. Okay, so this one we look up, and so both of them look right. One's a lab and one's a mountain cur. That pretty much is right, have to say. But it's not accurate with dogs that are mixes. Like, it can't even say lab mix, German Shepherd mix, or anything like that. It just said a random breed, which is really odd. Next, FaceTiming with Android buddies. So if we just click create new link, what we can do is we can, of course, then just like, okay, create new link, and you can FaceTime with anybody, even if they're on Android. But the nice part is, and also a nice new feature, is that you can also drag and drop photos. So like, if I want to drag and drop this, what I can do is I can just go here and then drag and drop it. Now, I do not know how to do it lately, so it's just not working for me correctly, but who knows. And another nice new feature about iOS 15 is that the tab bar got moved to the bottom. Like, let's just say you want to move it back up. Then, well, and so like you can, it's easier for a one-handed person. However, if you do not like one-handed, then you can go back by going into settings and then go down to Safari. And now when you go down to Safari, Safari, click it. Then you scroll down and then you click single tab. Now when you go, now everything's back to usual, and so that's the way it is now, and like it's back to usual. So yeah, so if you do not like that and like the new tab bar, then just switch it back. And now I'm gonna keep it on there personally because that's what I'm used to, but because of my one-handed, I like to be one-handed on my phone, and so that's how that new feature is affected. Now, not only that, but the lock screen event changed. Okay, so also there's another nice thing with this thing where there's a new thing on the lock screen, which, can you guess what it is? Not the flashlight, not the camera, but this person right here. This is focus. Focus is basically where you can set it to different focuses, and you can have only certain apps or people notify you. Like, say you're at work and you want your clients and also your coworkers to be able to call. However, you do not want to, and except if you do not want like your friends calling, then you can easily set that. And like then what you can do is you can also set it to sleep, which means that only certain people can notify you. But then when you're at home, just turn on personal. And it's very nice how they organize that with the focuses and everything like that. I'm just amazed with how they focus that. Get the joke? Haha. But that is pretty cool. Another thing with iOS 15. Okay, so, and also another tip that you can do for your iPhone is go to Safari, and this is how you can make your phone into a Samsung Galaxy. So SAMSUNG, actually not Samsung, just ITEST.NZ, and then what will happen? Then what you'll need to do is you'll also need to add to home screen. Then what you can do is just rename it. I'm gonna just name it Samsung, and then I'm gonna click that. Now, what's going to happen is that this new app appears. Then click the Samsung icon. Then what you'll do is then you click next, let's go. Now you have basically turned your iPhone into a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Like, you can navigate around. And this is basically just a demonstration, but whatever. If you want to fool your friends that you have a Samsung when you really don't, that can be pretty easy with this app. And also, on a related note, if this has been an Electronic Guy 567 video, if you enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling bell. And also, if you have enjoyed, like the video. That's it for today, and bye-bye. By the way, guys, this has been an Electronic Guy 567 video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the software tips playlist, software tutorial playlist for more just like this one. And also, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and ring the ding-a-ling bell. And make sure And if you have enjoyed, like the video. And that's it for today. Bye bye.